Want to launch a website quickly and easily in 2025? Let me show you why FastComet hosting might be the perfect solution for beginners and small businesses. Building a website can feel overwhelming. Choosing hosting, setup, and security all take time and effort. FastComet makes it simple with one-click WordPress installs, free website migration, and reliable hosting with 24/7 support. You can go from zero to a live site in no time. Here's why I recommend FastComet in 2025. First, it's fast and secure, so your website loads quickly and stays online. Second, you get free domain, SSL, and backups, saving money right from the start. Third, it's beginner-friendly with step-by-step setup and responsive support, even if it's your first website. If you're ready to launch your website, I've linked FastComet below. Plus, grab my free website launch guide to get your site live the easy way. Check it out and start building your site today.